Hello everyone. Today in this lecture, we introduce the contents of the qualitative research and the basic differences between the qualitative and the quantitative research. So the qualitative research is a type of a research which focus on gathering non-numerical data to gain the insights into the situations, attitudes, behaviors, or the experiences. Basically, it focus human focus activities. While on the other hand, quantitative research is about the laboratory experimentation and it is about the controlled environments where we can collect the evidence in the form of the data. So qualitative research is the powerful tool to understand the complex world around us. It also focus on the nuisance of the human experiences, opinions, motivations, which provide us the insights beyond the numbers and the statics. The research approach explores the answer of the why, while the quantitative research focused on the question for what and how. So, if we generally compare them, they try to work together because in order to understand a phenomena completely, we need to get the answer for what, how, and why. So they should apply interchangeably on the phenomena of the human life or the natural phenomena. So we if we need to understand completely, we need to get the answers of what and how, which are collected through quantitative research, while for the answer of why, we need to deploy the qualitative research. So, if we try to explain the qualitative research formally, qualitative research is a systematic inquiry that aims to understand the complex human experience and the social phenomena. It also focus on the question of why behind actions, belief, behaviors, and it try to develop human experience perspectives, and it also try to investigate the motivations. Unlike the qualitative research, which relies on the numbers and the statistical analysis, qualitative research emphasizes the subjective interpretation of natural phenomena or the human experiences. It is try to seeking the understandability about underlying meanings of the context surrounding the events and the phenomena. The qualitative research is basically the research based on the exploration, while it also try to provide the understanding of actions or the decisions which a human can take in some certain kind of a situation. If we try to characterize the qualitative research, it focus on the meaning, also focus on the inductive reasoning, it focus on the holistic approaches, and it is focusing on the subjectivity and the interpretation part of a theory or the opinion. Like qualitative research aims to understand the meanings people attach to their experience and the world around them. It seeks to explore the subjective interpretation, emotions, and values that shape individual and the collective behavior of a human or a group of a human, while qualitative research uses inductive reasoning to draw conclusions from their data. They will start from the specific observations and then work towards the broader generalization and theoretical insights. The approach allows us to a flexible way to explore the emerging themes and patterns within the data. Qualitative research also takes holistic approach to understand complex phenomena. It considers interconnections of various factors and seeks to understand the context in which some events may occur. This approach aims to provide the comprehensive understanding of a subject under investigation. Qualitative research acknowledge the inherent subjectivity of human experiences and interpretation. Researchers are aware of their own biases and strive to remain transparent and reflective in their analysis. The goal is to present the newness and the multifaceted understanding of the subjects, recognized their multiple perspective, that is very much meaningful for the qualitative research. Qualitative research also try to deploy some methodologies. They are the well-known are the interviews, focus groups are the observations, but they are not only three. There are so many other methods available in qualitative research. The interviews involves structured or unstructured conversations with individuals to gather their perspectives, their experiences, their opinions, and about a particular topic. They can also conduct face-to-face or over the phone or the online interviews. In focus groups involves moderated discussions with a group of individuals who share common characteristics or the experiences. The researchers try to explore the topics from multiple perspectives and identify common themes of the patrons within a group. Similarly, the observations involve watching and recording the behavior of individuals or the groups in their natural settings. This method can provide valuable insights into how people interact with their environment, how they behave in different situations, and the understanding of the impact of their cultural norms, their language, their language limitations, are the understanding and the direct or the indirect impact of their cultural and languages barriers onto their actions. uh, like interviews, there are so many types of the interviews. The well known are the structured interviews, semi-structured interviews, and unstructured interviews. We will go in some deeper level when we have a lecture on the interviews. Similarly, the focus group are valuable qualitative research methods where the researchers try to gather the rich insights from the group discussions. Actually, they are trying to collect the collective behavior or the collective understanding of a group of people about some certain topic or the perspective. The strength of the focus groups is to provide a platform for diverse perspective, encourage group interactions and discussions, allow or explore the complex issues. Similarly, this type of a data collection has also some limitations, which domination of certain individuals, because few peoples are very much vocal and they can lead the discussion, while others are little bit shy or they are not ready to share their ideas easily. Similarly, group thinking can influence the responses of few individuals over the some other individuals, and they are also difficult to control the discussion. Sometimes we cannot collect the valuable information by group discussion. Observations are the very much common way to collect the different in different situations. Observations are crucial method in qualitative research, allowing researchers to gather first-hand insights into the behaviors, interactions, and the cultural context of individuals or the groups. This method provide a rich understanding of the question what, when, and where, and how of the human experiences, offering valuable insights into the social dynamics, cultural norms, and everyday life. Uh, the principles of the observations are the researchers actively participates in the settings being observed. They can non-participant observations. The researchers observes the settings from a distance without actively participating in the activities. This approach allow for a more objective and less intrusive observations. Structured observations are involved in predefined set of behaviors or events to be observed and recorded. The approach is useful for collecting consistent data across multiple observations. Similarly, unstructured observations involve observing a setting without a predefined set of behaviors or events to be recorded. This approach allows for gather flexibility in exploring emergent themes and patterns within the data. Similarly, the case study, which is a well-known method to conduct the qualitative research, is in-depth investigation of a specific individual group or organization. This method provides a rich and detailed understanding of a particular phenomena or situation, allowing researchers to explore the complexities of human experiences. The steps are identifying the cases, gather the data, analyze the data. Advantages are not limited to these four, but in-depth understanding we can collect in-depth understanding by qualitative research. We can contextualize the ideologies, phenomena, social and cultural values. We can flexibly and adaptably observe the situations, researchers to explore emergent themes and patterns within the data, and they are also collect the rich and detailed data, which is then transformed into some kind of a process or some kind of a framework, which is helpful in understanding so many other things. There are so many limitations over the qualitative research, one of which is subjectivity and bias, time consuming, limited generalization, and difficulty in quantifying the findings. That's all for the today. We can then go step by step to understand all these methodologies of the qualitative research, and we can then explore each of these techniques in detail. Thank you so much.